Oh yeah, Talking Point platform, TTPTV. Oh yeah, Unale we pledge, we love and loyalty. To we sweet, sweet mama salute. Now we all come together as one. For tomorrow, now we go make salute.
Yes, Kasano, what's your position?
The Communications Director for Salon Judiciary.
Okay, very much welcome to Wabi Television. Of course, all the channels are right across. We do on Facebook, we do on, of course, YouTube, and we do on the radio and all over the country and the world as large. So exactly what they are today from?
Family, blessed good morning. We did court number 1, the main law court building, Shakasiri Street, Freetown. Usai, the Judiciary of Sierra Leone, they commence the matter with the court, we title the state versus Saidunalo and others. This matter, the Salon Judiciary or the presiding judge, Honorable Justice Fisher, been adjourned the matter because the elections been already there at the very close. So we been not want interrupt the process because one of the candidates then, one of the fourth accused, Dr. Samura Kamara, now been the presidential candidate for the main opposition of People's Congress. So we've been need for go about in campaign business, and because we independent, we don't let them politicize the judiciary. We see unnecessary say if we allow after the elections, then the court matter continue. So family if we there today, now the resumption of the court matter, the state versus Saidunalo and others.
So what's in the message where you get for especially people that way because go the passive say well election just done well, of course we presidential candidates in our court, so now can get that perception and we get a better understanding. And I must say the essence from where we make the media present now for just like the last year they say, for let people that get a better understanding and a transparent hearing of this particular case here. So what will be your message to them people that they will sometimes we will misconstrue with the
now we the accused people are know them before we know them for being a politicians or whatsoever. We know them by law as accused people, and that make we call them as accused. The reason why we court they say accused people because then innocent, they're not guilty by law until the evidence proves otherwise, either against them or in favor of them. We, at the end of the day, based on the facts, based on the evidence whether adduced before the court, they look at them. If you form the threshold of the evidence where the court they look at, then you can say either then acquit, discharge, or then convict, or whatsoever decision way the court they deem fit. But as it is, I want to send strong message to family who they listen out there for say when people are already before the court, they're not guilty and accused people, then innocent by law at the moment, then innocent. So then they are to prove either then guilt or prove then innocence. Now that make we decide for make sure say make the media come and can provide live coverage. They're quoting AYV and other media outlets they do to provide live media coverage so that family who sit on the host, family who they outside the country, family who they feel say they get interest in this matter, can able watch them, person no go tell you again. Because wetin dey happen over time with the judiciary, na that people in the peddle wrong information with the judiciary wey not to true. So because we already know one day in a position to always dey go defend, say, we want to avoid that. So now that make we feel say now it is time for the transparent, accountable, and also for maintain the integrity of the judicial process. Where now that we dey for as an institution, for we make sure say them self we na accuse people them, make them go to fair trial because now the constitutional right that they when somebody dey before the court, if we say if we get legal representation, and we as an institution for we create the enabling environment so that it will go to fair trial. So now that make I always can say then I accuse people and women say they're innocent until otherwise. So my problem will say you will listen me either on a radio or you will watch the television, either online or whatsoever, make you not talk say this person here is guilty, this person here a corrupt, or this person here not give people and derogate names them. What you for always do, wait for see the outcome of this matter. And that make we will continue with this until the final determination by the court whether again guilty or not guilty. As always, we will continue to maintain the integrity of the entire process throughout these proceedings.
All right. With the issue regarding going public or going on media with this particular case, you don't say the legal representative them of Nalo and 5 others, we don't say the number one, this one for the on media again and for maker. So how will we end up for resolve that?
Well, the always na court lawyers they can make an application. And not necessarily say it can always favor them. The judge gets the discretion for look whether in fact the concern with the raise it makes sense or it don't make sense. For us, this an administrative decision we will take as an institution. The judiciary we want because we are accountable. We are accountable also as an institution to the Salon Constitution, because whatever thing we do, if it be within the remit of the law. So therefore, we want to make sure say we do them with integrity. We want to do them in a very transparent manner. So now that make we first say that concern with the raise. First, we need to pay attention to that. Why? Because at the end of the day, it helps me. Other countries don't do them. Or the issue of Pistorius in case, George Floyd, and so many other cases. Them, and not only this, most of the cases them in the go life. So we want also as an institution, no one left behind. This is now the 21st century. The media get a role for play. The media, the new responsibility now for serve as a watchdog role. We will set there for at the end of the day, not when I able on whether the process is free, fair, and transparent.
Okay, thank you very much. I think we can start the court proceedings. Yes, Sheikh, we will quickly give me exactly some of the charges.
Yes, now 48 count charges them, then charge all the accused people. As you see, the judge don't come inside, and so the matter recommends, and you go read the file. This na AYV television, you watch we live na Facebook and we other media platform there. The Honorable Judge, Justice Adrian Fisher, the inside the courtroom now, all accused persons, almost all the accused persons in there, and as well the legal representative for all the accused persons them. And don't forget see section 23, subsection 4 of the Constitution. We make all accused persons them not guilty until the court prove them for be guilty according to law. And as well, all the accused persons then understand 48 count charges them. We therefore do it called allegations them. From the audience, you see the former presidential candidate sit down
My Lord exhibits MBD1.
Well, I think Mr. Byron, let's make it easier on ourselves. Okay? With respect to where two other figures you see, look at the motion where two.
We are please seeking for 9,000.
Yes, are those the figures that we see?
Yes, we've now considered it to be 5,000.
Yes, Fambulem, the matter now commences. We Kamara and 5 others day before the court. This now another matter we day before the same judge, but anytime from now the matter will commence. Well, as the case we the anti-corruption bring Ghana court now against 6 people. The first accused as Saido Nalu, second accused Adikali Fude Suma, third accused na Fude Bao, third accused na Dr. Samura Kamara, fourth accused na Dr. Kande Fude Kamara, fifth accused na Sandra Davis. We, according to ACC, they say in the House of Jurisdiction, and all the now for 48 count charge of indictment we did for misappropriation of public funds, conspiracy to commit corruption offences, abuse of office, and other corrupt related matters and offences. I'm sorry. And count 1 also from the indictment, they say now that they failed for use procedure and guidelines where they in relation to the procurement rules contrary to section 48 2B of the Anti-Corruption Act number 12 of 28 as amended by the Anti-Corruption Act of 2019 Act number 9. And so Dr. Samura Kamara again we the part of the matter them alleged say have been in principal and same well let not mention the matter now. We get for do with Dr. Samura Kamara and 5 others. As family as you see all the accused people left of corruption related matters them. And not forget see the alleged people the court now find them guilty and the matter beyond the start before the election. Family will go now to the judge we commence the matter now and Justice Adrian Fisher.
Hassan Kamara standing in for the people on behalf of the first and third accused. Well, for the second accused, Ibrahim Sori, Africano Sori Sise, and Brian Afro.
Good morning, my lord. My lord, representation for the fourth accused, Flaslin B. Cabo, Ambassador A. Koguma, MC Nicole Wilson, M.M. Kamara, A.M. Jaro, I. Sui, Anima B. Koguma, A.S. Ba. I would apologize. My lord, O.S. Kamara, Hassan Kamara, and S.M. Kamara. My lord, Simon Adejo. I, followed by names, swear to the Almighty God, that the evidence I shall give in this case before this court between the state and the accused persons in the law shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God. So help the Holy Quran.
Right, so let me just hold on to one section, just clarify. To cancel for the other accused persons. Now, I know it's been a little while since we last met, but prior to the break, the accused persons were put to their elections. Now, I take it that the choices made in those elections remain the same. Just want to confirm that before we start.
Not the fourth, they remain the same.
Thank you, Mr. Kajo. Second,
On second, they remain the same.
third, fifth, third.
Yes, sir. Mr. Babu.
All right. All right, Mr. Allen, good morning to you. Let me just say, please take your time to be clear in what you're around today. And this is going to be slow, but it's important that I get down what you're saying. All right? Thank you. Yes.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Can you tell us your full names again?
Babu Babu.
Where do you live?
28 people. Available.
Mr. Naru, are you married?
Yes, I am. 5 children.
What work do you currently do?
I'm a civil servant. Presently, I'm a diplomat. Judicial foreign affairs. But now I'm standing trial.
Did you start your career as a career diplomat?
No, not really. I joined this very civil service in 2001. And I had a very story. 2001. In August 25, 2001. And I had a benefit of doing this called that through 6 ministries, the Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Mines and Natural Resources.
What is you? So you went through 6 ministries, beginning with the Ministry of Finance.
The Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Mines and Natural Resources, Ministry of Social Welfare, Ministry of Development and Economic Planning, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and then I was posted to the Ministry of Education, Science and Technology at the time.
And I you have then qualifications.
Yes, I do. I have a bachelor's degree, a bachelor of arts, and then I've also done an MPhil in political science, and I also participated in the fellowship course by the MISA and the IPI, by the International Peace Institute. I'm also in the database of the Geneva Center for Security Policy as an expert in security.
And also,
I'm also registered in the database of the Geneva Center for Security Policy as an expert, as a security expert. I also the later joined swimming program in Norway, in peacemaking. Then of course I've done several courses in negotiation, diplomacy, as well as courses relating to peace and security and development. Of course, attended several seminars, editions, seminars and workshops.
Okay, so let's come back to your career as a civil servant. You said it started in 2001, correct? Can you go over the ministry again?
Ministry of Finance.
Ministry of Finance. At the Ministry of Finance, what was your rank?
I was admin officer cadet. At the time, we were on the top of those 6 departments on a monthly basis to expose us to the work of those ministries and departments.
So, as admin officer cadet, you have responsibility.
Yes. We have covered all the budget activities that year. Read the report. Also drafted correspondence as well as the minutes of meetings. And worked with the FS and his team at the time in preparation of the budget. That is providing administrative assistance as required.
So did that make you familiar with budget? Preparations for ministries?
Yes, indeed. Because for 1 month, then I was moved to the Ministry of Mines and Mineral Resources.
The same year, 2001?
The same year.
What was your posting at the Ministry of Mines and Mineral Resources?
In the Ministry of Mines and Mineral Resources, to get up my progress, we are getting that each one of us to prepare advice notes.
No, before the task, what was your level?
The same as
Task.
yeah, we specifically engaged in looking at the existing policies and coming up with our suggestions for review of those policies. And we are required to keep us independently based on our observation and what will be necessary in terms of those gaps in policies that needed to be addressed at the time.
How long did you serve at that ministry?
That was also for 1 month.
You then moved on to where?
Then we move on to the Ministry of Development and Economic Planning.
Was that in the same 2001?
They said
Ministry of Development and Economic Planning. Okay, you also went there as admin officer just to make sure.
yes.
So, do you have terms of reference?
Why is it? Yes. We are required to provide support to the development secretary and his team. We are also working closely with the planning department of that ministry and attended all the meetings at the time to assist with reports as well as facilitating those meetings with the partners, the development partners.
How long?
1 month.
And you moved on to another ministry.
Ministry of Social Welfare.
What year?
The same year.
Same round? You gave terms of reference.
Well, we were looking at time. We are looking at the handicap in terms of areas that needed to be addressed with regards to their welfare, especially those who are on the streets.
Your mic. Speaking to the mic.
But the mic is not okay.
Probably need to bring this closer to you.
So we also worked with them in relation to gender issues as well as child welfare issues. In particular, relationship between the ministry and the UNICEF and other partners.
Again, how long were you in that ministry?
1 month.
I think Mr. Governor, if I recall his evidence, he spent 6 months across 6 ministries.
Okay. They take it to an hour.
No, yes, we still have labor. I think I missed out labor.
And labor.
Labor. I missed out labor, yes.
So from Ministry of Social Welfare,
Labor.
again, just as Lordship has pointed out, you were admin officer.
Sorry?
You were admin officer.
I was. And in that ministry, we covered all the meetings that are here, internally as well as partners.
Now, just to move on, with all of your sojourn through these several ministries as admin officer,
The last one was foreign affairs.
or the last one was foreign affairs.
The foreign affairs, I was attached to the protocol division and was given the specific responsibility for investigation for this matter. perform duties as key functions. In particular, it's considered with so many functions at the time, and I was put in charge of the presidential lounge to welcome them to be there, and they also for the of the community. And they also for the armed body ceremony that was executed to declare the end of war, and several other functions.
So the foreign affairs, was it also in 2001?
No, 2002.
And how long did you spend there?
So I was there for like 6 weeks. Because at the time, the then minister didn't want me to leave. He wanted me to stay. That's the latest of Ramadan. And there was just, but eventually, I was there.
Okay, so before we go on to your next station, in all of these,
Yes, I have also in all those ministries. In the Ministry of Finance, we are working with, at the time, with the FS. And
what does FS mean?
through this, the finance secretary, through this budget bureau, by the time it was, we are working with this Tasima Jalan and Masifini. And of course, there was also, unfortunately, then in the other ministries, it was honest sectors that are working directly. Of course, in some instances, they will give us like as soon as person show up, I think the secretary supervisors.
Okay, so in 2002, when you said you served 6 weeks at the Foreign Affairs Ministry, did you continue in the civil service?
Yes, I did. I was posted from there to the Ministry of Education. Then a few months later, Foreign Affairs was still trying to get me back. And we actually posted me on Foreign Affairs, but it didn't work out. that was more or less saying that teachers should not be on that studying fee and then also benefit from that today, which to me was very bad policy. There was also a policy about that says that first year explanation after the grant again. That was bad policy. So what somebody is very brilliant, get the best results, and the parents can afford for that person to go to college. Does that mean that that person is not go to college? So it's a very bad policy.
Okay, so you worked on that as well. For what it is worth, do you recall who at that time was the anti-corruption commissioner?
It was Mr. Akode.
Uh, 2007, you were no longer at the Ministry of Education. Did you move to another ministry?
Yes, I was moved to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
In 2007, when you came to Foreign Affairs, do you recall who the president of Serbia was at that time?
It was Dr. Ahmed Kamara at the time, but then there was transition shortly after that. I can't get to the after the transition. After the transition.
In that same year?
That same year, yeah. Because I was briefly posted to the Justice Department, but then I turned that one down for I already had that is not true.
So did you say you turned it down?
Yes, I did.
Justice Department.
Justice Department. But before then, there was a move to promote me to the rank of acting permanent secretary, which I turned down together with the Justice Department at the time. Because that package to go to the Justice Department came with that promotion. But I was not that ambitious. So I said, no.
Okay. Senior assistant secretary. Who was your immediate boss in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs?
The Ministry of Foreign Affairs, my first immediate boss was Mr. Bilal. He passed away in so refugees. And I was asked to exercise because his deputy at the time was sick. One Mr. Aruna.
Did you have any specific terms of reference as senior assistant secretary?
In the Asian division where I was staying for long, what do you call it, annual. Activity plan, and then also came up with policy suggestions in terms of how to regulate companies in the business application. And by then I just come back from the US, so I was really very much engaged in terms of my understanding of the Asia and the dynamics, the geopolitics.
Now, roughly in the Foreign Affairs Ministry, how long did it serve?
Well, since then, since 2000, I've been in the ministry.
Which means that from from senior assistant secretary, you definitely rose to some other ranks.
Mr. Gila for some time, then he retired, and Mr. Mina was brought in as the director. While the same time Mr. Mina was brought in, I was moved to serve as a special assistant to the Deputy Director General, because that office was critical to the work of the ministry, particularly the work of the minister. And they needed somebody that would really assist that office to do a whole lot of work that were quite, I would say, critical at the time. And so I was placed there as a strategic.
How long did you serve for in that capacity?
I was there until I was posted in 2011. Because at some point, the customer wanted to double up as the deputy director for admin. So that's why I said I cannot be in two places. But I'm the director of admin at the same time, providing that kind of process. It was just not fun.
So in 2011, you were posted to what?
And in 2010, sorry, I was posted to New York.
2010.
But before then, I was promoted to the rank of acting assistant. Which in our diplomatic service, the station is equated to that of councillor.
So that help me, Mr. Nalo, please help me. Deputy Secretary is in between the Senior Assistant Secretary and Permanent Secretary.
Yes,
By rank.
And they said Deputy Secretary is called Council. So you said you were posted to New York. And New York is the city, it's the state. What do you
To the
mean?
permanent mission of Sierra to the United Nations.
Do you recall when precisely you arrived in that mission?
Yes, I was posted around March or so, I'm not making a mistake here. But I really didn't want to go. And so I stayed around until August. And I was
March which year?
March 2010, around that. And then I was pushed out eventually because there was gaps in New York that needed someone to fill in. And one day I came to the office and I was told that if I do not travel that same day, I was going to be going at the same time to wrap up something from coming to work. So I went back home, visited the apartment, and back from there.
When you arrived at the mission in 2010, do you know who the permanent rep was?
The permanent secretary at the time was Ambassador Shipu Toure. And head of transfer at the time was Margaret Toure.
Margaret what?
Margaret Toure. Margaret Toure. on my arrival there, I realized the reason why I was forced to go. There was the shift
Were you posted to any particular position?
my predecessor was
Yes, sir.
my predecessor was posted to Freetown as the state chief of protocol, and the work he was doing at the time was what really was more or less getting the mission visible at the United Nations at the time.
So wait, your predecessor, what rank was he?
He was also a councillor.
So you were posted to the rank of councillor. Did it have any specific terms of reference?
Well, I guess it's a just a question of getting the shoe, getting to the shoe. And the issue.
So what particular kind of work were you doing as councillor?
Too many. But then I will attempt to explain some. Firstly, I will cover the second committee.
All right, let's have your key duties.
Yes, the second committee, expert for the second committee. Second committee, matter. That is development.
So just pause. Yes.
That is economic and development issue. And of course, I have a lot of financial matters here relating to the United Nations funds and programs. And I was also the member of the United Nations Development Fund, the UNFPA, and the Union Executive Board, that's the global board, and was also elected as a rapporteur. So one of them one participated in Fiji. So I came back and did it for the General Assembly.
So you're a member of what?
The United Nations, the UNDP, UNFPA, and Union Executive Board.
UNOPS.
And I was elected as a rapporteur. Yeah. Then I was also the expert of peace building. Sierra Leone at the time was on the agenda of the United Nations Peace Building Commission. We had a specific configuration that was chaired by Canada, and so I was the expert. With time, I became the co-chair.
Slowly, Mr. Now, slowly. This is about your career. Go slowly. Yes.
So with time, I gained the trust and confidence of the chair, Canada, in terms of not only working relations, but also in terms of people, which caused the chair at time to consider this to the journey. So I became the co-chair for the expert level. So then it was later moved on to the level of
co-chair at the expert level, that's a very significant position for our country, so go slowly. Like that. You said it had something to do with peace building?
Peace building. At the time, Sierra Leone was on the agenda of the Peace Building Commission. We are also on the agenda of the Security Council. That alone is tremendous work for one person to do. To add that to the second committee, add that to the work in the game and the And then there was a committee of 10. That's the committee on the African Union Committee of 10 on the reform of the Education Council, of which Sierra Leone is the coordinator. And I was the expert chair for that as well in New York.
Is there east or west?
So I think at the moment, you know, I'm still there. So the expert chair, and I introduced a lot of new ideas in order to sort of inject some dynamism into the process in New York. And also to increase our visibility and integration, and which we actually achieved eventually. And some of those we are like following up with experts. I actually initiated the first expert-led workshop in New York, where we had a lot of documents to guide our principals, basically the ministers and the heads of state. So all draft statements, draft reports that the president will have to submit at the official hearing. We are prepared by me. And then I convene my colleague experts around the table for the endorsement. From that point, it goes to the ambassador for their endorsement, and then it comes back to the minister for his endorsement, and then it goes to the endorsement to the coordinator. I think that's yeah.
Mr. Nalo, all of this was still in 2010. 2010. Do you know during that year when you arrived whether the project for which you've been brought to court, this charge building, was already affected?
Yes. To the best of my knowledge, the issue of that transcript, precisely is the Martinez tenure as head of transcript. I understand that transcript building has been the subject of discussion since 2004 or so, or 03. And Mrs. Matsui, when she actually got there, she realized that it was getting worse. I think she made some frantic moves to do some kind of some form of renovation. But there was no money for that as well. And so,
okay, Mr. Nauro, let's come back. We are still going back to, we just wanted to know if at the time you arrived there in 2010, this church building was on. So we'll come back to your career. We'll have enough time to deal with the church building because that is a subject matter in this criminal play. So, how long did you continue as councillor?
I was there as councillor until 2015. In 2015, I was together with some of my colleagues here invited to take an examination to be promoted to the rank of permanent secretary. Took that exam. And my promotion was put on hold because they said again, someone did advise the HRM at the time, and I said at the time, that I don't have to communicate with the issue.
I feel very good conflict intervene, especially when it's an accused testifies. But I'm aware of the emotional position. But and I understand my other friends right as well. It's kind of game. But unfortunately, the time was because we have to somebody. They have to testify for the case.
Come on.
And I hope you will do so.
Yes, Mr. Fofana, we're not going to put a block on you, but just be mindful.
I appreciate that. Mr. Nalo, you are in that box as yourself. only what you do to the best of your knowledge, what you were told directly, and what you saw, what you did, and you should talk about it.
Okay.
So, what was
So I was there in 2015 when I was recalled. By the end of around April 2015, I was recalled. Freetown.
just to be clear, because you said you took these exams, so you came back to Freetown in what capacity?
Eventually I came back to Freetown. I went there in 2016.
In what capacity?
I came back, I was acting director of the Electoral Division. But primarily I was providing a lot of support to the general in several areas. So, especially when the petition figures.
And just to be clear, when you came back to Freetown, were you still councillor?
Yes, for some time in April, May, I was promoted to the rank of acting cabinet secretary.
Of what year?
Of 2016. But shortly after that, I think a month or two later, my letter came in that I was elevated to the rank of cabinet secretary. So, sometime around May of 2016.
How long did you do in Freetown or Sierra Leone when you came back in 2016?
For 2 years. I was appointed as director of multilateral affairs.
Multilateral affairs? What does that mean?
Well, I was more or less put in charge of the directorate that serves as sort of mechanism between the ministry and the missions that are related to the United Nations and other multilateral stations like in Geneva and other places, as well as also with the international organizations here in Sierra Leone. And then also to work closely with the ministry in working on agreements between Sierra Leone and other countries for international community. So
around the age of water?
Yes, I think it was
About the boys. Yes, my lord, again, that's why I like my land scene, my lord. Is it okay that maybe seek your plea for him? Because he has this back problem. Do you want to stand this?
I think it's fine for now, I'm fine. Now I want to know what this question is. Because when let's say that it's really aggravating thing.
Or you probably want to.
My comfort, should not be one that is comfortable with.
If you do feel discomfortable, you should sit.
Yes, so Mr. Nalo, when you left in 2016, who was the permanent chair?
By the time I left in 2015, the permanent
15 or 16?
15. I left around December, then I came to Freetown January. And remember I told you my goal letter was April. So then I had to stay on for 2 reasons. One, the committee of 10 on the education reform. So I was doing those reforms. I think the work of the system to some level that was not so easy for anybody to just come and work.
So you stayed on from 2015 to 2016?
I think it's January 2016.
January.
was who was the permanent rep?
It was Mr. Bandit.
Permanent rep was who?
Mr. Bandit.
Do you recall who the head of church was?
Mr. Alessandro. Mr. Tui was called in 2012. And Mr. Alessandro took over from him in 2012.
Back in Freetown when you came, do you recall who the Director General of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs was?
Initially, it was Ambassador Wang Karo. Then she was moved to State House before. Then Ambassador Kader Bashi was brought in as the from Senegal. She was part of Senegal. She was brought in as the Director General.
Right. That's a lot of names. Right. Initially, it said Ambassador Masakado
Yes,
was a DG at the time.
she was a DJ. But I was not sure at the time that I was coming in.
And after that, Ambassador Masakado who came in.
Ambassador Kader Bashi.
Yes. What about the minister? Who was the Minister of Foreign Affairs?
When I came in, the minister was Samura Kamara. That was in 2016.
So, now you said you were promoted to the rank of permanent secretary when you returned.
Which is equivalent to the rank of minister councillors.
Whilst here, do you continue to do or deal with any matters pertaining to the mission in New York?
Yes,
Serving as such.
like I said, that director is with the work of the mission in New York, especially the one that has to do with the work of the United Nations and its agencies. So more or less, part of my duty at time when I came in, I was tasked by the minister and the DG. But they wanted to see how we actually position that division to be able to fully align with the work of the six committees of the General Assembly, the Security Council, the funds and programs, and other agencies and policies that we have to deal with.
Okay, so you did work that had touch and concern matters pertaining to the mission. Yes, Vice President. Now, you said you spent 2 years in Freetown from 2016 to 2017. So, in 2017, were you posted anywhere?
I was posted in 2017. I received up letter, I think, that was sometime in September of that year of 2017. To the best of my knowledge, I did not acknowledge or accept the posting until sometime in this November or so, or December. So I'm not, my memory is not right, because again, I didn't want to go back to New York.
We are posted where?
Back to New York. The same problem, having reorganized the division there, and you know it well that the nature of the job was not really kind of too strong or well positioned contract. They wanted to go back there. I mean, for me, it was like too much because for me, my family was not becoming more and more concerned to me. I had no time for the family.
So where was your family when you were doing this work?
Okay, I didn't.
Like now, what a break. Yes. What about tenants? As a lordship.
This one's not iPhone.
Continue the matter as you just done your evening the matter really go on. This now the first accused citing alone they testify before the court. As you see, the former presidential candidate for the All People's Congress Party, Dr. Samura Kamara, they serve now the witness stand, supported from the All People's Congress Party there for paying their respect to the presidential candidate, whereas from the Anti-Corruption Commission, whereas from the accused themselves there. Then I see the Accusations, Channel 33, and the matter where you just watch now the matter we go for deal with the Anti-Corruption Commission and that of Siding Alou and forward as well, Dr. Samura Kamara serve the part of the accused people then. Then people are then bring a court, then bring them come for 48 counts charge of corruption allegations, and some of them think they wouldn't bring them come for now for misappropriation of funds, conspiracy to commit corruption offense, abuse of office, and other corruption-related offenses. Then, and anti-corruption will say sometimes inside 2016 or so, then been misappropriate $2.5 million with the money where they will give Salon government for renovate the chancel building. As you see from the gallery, they talk to supporters then big allegiance from the People's Congress Party, the courtroom, and this na court number 1, High Court number 1, na the main law court building na Shaka Stevens Street. As you see again the presence of all political security personnel, with the outside now serve the ensuring safety paramount in the court. We also see lawyers them from really represent the accused people them within the court as well. From the far end the lawyers them from the Anti-Corruption Commission within Naya for represent the Anti-Corruption Commission. In Campbell, not forget to see then we before High Court number 1 before Honorable Justice Adrian Fisher. Again, this matter we don't start from last year, as well the Anti-Corruption Commission we don't bring witnesses then we don't testify, and then as well then we get for ask the accused them we most of them as like Dr. Samura Kamara will bring a no case submission. They mean say not get any case for answer with regards to the corrupt offenses them really level against them. But the judge will get for rule against that and say no, it gets case for answer. And as well the judge will also therefore asking a it would be good for me to left here and go do visit now United States for which they will do where they may call the locals and co visit. That visiting after get first time information about the full way anti-corruption commission say them kind of cut for. And don't forget to say all the accused persons them the innocent first according to the Constitution of Sierra Leone, under section 23 subsection 4, we say until and unless the court prove them guilty, but for now they're all innocent of all the charges they made, then say they bring a kind of court for. That is a constitutional mandate and a constitutional right for which, of course, they get rights to. Family within our High Court number 1, you can continue for send you message them now we online platform them. The matter still be gone. We wait for the judge for return within the next 10 minutes as they stand down. Of course, we get plethora of supporters and we Gunaya. We get battles of lawyers and we the courtroom. We get the former Minister of Justice. We now been enjoying Alex Kuruma in 10. We get Africanus. We Gunaya. We get Ambassador Kuruma. We serve Gunaya. They represent the accused personally. We get people who contest from the People's Congress Party. We Gunaya. We get 32 reading African show the real solidarity to the former presidential candidate from the All People's Congress Party. Not forget to see now then 5, then they stand this trial way according to the charge sheet. One of them they out of the jurisdiction. Then people there according to the charge sheet we are therefore lead again tonight. Now that they stand trial for 48 counts of indictment with for misappropriation of public funds, conspiracy to commit corruption offences, abuse of office and other related offences. The reason we need them bring a kind of court now been saying government be given $2.5 million and that particular money be enough for renovate the Chancellor building in America. And as you will see, they get chat with supporters them from the All People's Congress Party and well wishers them. This now High Court number 1, and the matter we just don't listen to the matter we for do with the Anti-Corruption Commission and that of Simon Nalu and 5 others who side Dr. Samura Kamara. They part of the accused them. And one of the reasons, according to the communications person Winnie Kasano, is enough for make sure say the public self get knowledge and self the public understand the case will go on a court as different talk they come from different people. We get to understand this at any time from now the judge they can himself can continue the matter. The person will just they testify now the first accused Sadu Walum we don't give family who say start for work and the ministries and we don't start for work. And then say no way you say it don't start for work. Now the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Social Welfare, they don't start at different capacities and now when they ask them but when in the dinner the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, some of the things we do, and it explain most of the things we don't do, and when it's time for bring, they will testify before the court, tell the court what you know, but this matter as himself now an accused person, and not forget as I always tell you again, all the accused person they are then innocent until then proven by the court. Family members will rush short break and then we will come back again.
Hey, lighten up your day. Come and have a taste. Yummy Sierra all the way. Makes you feel okay. I found out you can choose. Natural soldiers for you. Sierra all the way. Makes you feel okay. It's nourishing, and refreshing. So delicious, very tasty. It's nourishing, and refreshing. It's so delicious, very tasty. Sierra juice, Sierra water, Sierra snacks, and chocolate. Sierra juice, Sierra water, Sierra snacks, and chocolate. Smile.
We do not just speak, we help every voice find its language and culture in Sierra Leone. We do not just teach, we empower more people with education. We do not just bring you the news, we place you where the news is happening.
Welcome back. I am Phoebe Swale with Primetime News on AYV Television and Radio.
We do not just entertain you, we take you on journeys.
Are you ready for AYV Hits the Sticks? Are you guys ready for AYV Hits?
AYV is Sierra Leone, Sierra Leone is AYV. Now we Salon Sunday.
We do not just broadcast sports, we create an era for sporting heroes to inspire you.
Well, hello and welcome to AYV Sports Updates live on AYV Entertainment.
After heading outside of the post, but it won't take them too long to do so. Great strike from Al Hassan Karam.
Ours, it's not just a job. It's a calling to keep you informed impartially and independently. And we're able to do so because you trust us. AYV goes beyond borders.
AYV is your home of credible, factual, and balanced news coverage. We pride ourselves as the nation's most trusted news source. Because of this, our brand is likely to be used to spread fake news. To verify our stories, please check our various social media pages, visit our website on www.ayvnews.com, or send us an email to info@ayvnews.com.
loyalty to a sweet talking point platform for news within our countries and law, for education, entertainment, political affairs, TV. We put enough Tanga one inside Sierra Leone like a big quantity. We breeze not a shit TV.
Attention, attention. Are you hungry for the latest insights on politics and good governance issues from the motherland, Sierra Leone? Look no further than Talking Points, your go-to platform for engaging discussions. Subscribe today and let your voice surge. Talking Points is where smart minds come alive. Subscribe now.
With Talking Points platform, you can dive into thought-provoking discussions, connect with like-minded individuals, and broaden your horizons. Be among the first to know the latest happenings in Sierra Leone. Join us today, subscribe on YouTube, TPP Leone. Like our page on Facebook at Talking Points platform. It's your voice, you are in control. We believe in you. Subscribe now. Like our page. We love you.
Attention, attention. Are you hungry for the latest insights on politics and good governance issues from the motherland, Sierra Leone? Look no further than Talking Points, your go-to platform for engaging discussions. Subscribe today and let your voice surge. Talking Points is where smart minds come alive. Subscribe now.
With Talking Points platform, you can dive into thought-provoking discussions, connect with like-minded individuals, and broaden your horizons. Be among the first to know the latest happenings in Sierra Leone. Join us today, subscribe on YouTube, TPP Leone. Like our page on Facebook at Talking Points platform. It's your voice, you are in control. We believe in you. Subscribe now. Like our page.